Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to use OBS Studio to stream live 2025 complete walkthrough. So guys, you want to start streaming in 2025 but you don't know where to begin. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up and use OBS Studios step by step to go live on YouTube, Twitch or Facebook. Alright, so let's get into it. How do you go about, going live? The process of going live, first of all, involves having a good internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is actually set up pretty nicely. And once that is done, once you've set up your internet, all you need to do is open up your browser. So open up your browser and simply log on to obsprojects.com. And on this platform, all you need to do is from the top where we have OBS Studios, go ahead and select your device. If you're using a Windows OS or Mac or Linux, you could download for any of these operating systems or computers. And I'm going to be going with the Windows option, but you might as well use the Mac OS as it supports Mac OS 12.0 or newer. Now, a couple of things about the OBS Studios. The OBS project is made possible thanks to generous contribution. You can see their sponsors, so you're expected to get quality connections when you connect your YouTube account or your Twitch. And then diamond tier sponsors, you can see them here as well. And then if you scroll a bit more, you can see the features. So high performance real-time video, audio capturing and mixing, creating scenes made up of multiple sources, including window captures, images, text, browser windows, webcams. We also have set up an unlimited number of scenes, so you can have unlimited scenes on your computer. You can also have an intuitive. They also have an intuitive audio mixer with pre-source filters, such as noise gate, noise suppression, and gain. Powerful and easy to use configuration options, streamlined settings panel, modular dock UI, just a whole lot. So just go ahead and click on Windows. So I'm just going to click on Windows here and it's going to take us to the download menu where you can simply download the OBS project. All right, so this is what pops up and you can go ahead and click on save. Well, I've already downloaded the OBS Studios installer, so I'm not going to bother with that. But you can go ahead and click on the save option for yourself. All right, so with this in mind, let's go ahead and open up the library menu. Once you're here, locate the OBS installation file. Double click on it, head over to bin, that's bin, click on 64-bit, scroll to the bottom and you'll find OBS 64. Go ahead and double click this to simply begin the installation process. So OBS basically has an installation process you're going to be going with. It's a first time setup wizard. So um, once the installation guide opens, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select what we have as optimized for streaming. Alright guys, so seeing as I already have my OBS Studios installed, I can't really show you the setup process for OBS on your computer, but it's a simple guide. All you need to do is just follow the instructions. Alright, so now moving on to the OBS Studios, go ahead and open it up on your computer. This is basically what your dashboard looks like. We have the scenes, we have sources, audio mixer, scene transitions, and we have controls. So in order to start streaming on the OBS platform, all you need to do is from scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transactions, just head over to control and click on start streaming. Now it says here URL and stream key are missing. Open settings to enter the URL and stream key in the Streamlab. So go ahead and click on open settings and it's going to open up the settings menu. Now, with the settings menu opened up, you're also going to need to get your stream key from your Twitch, your YouTube account, your Facebook account. You can get your stream key on there and just head into stream. And then where we have connect account, you could go ahead and manually connect your account. It's going to open up your browser to kind of like connect your account and authenticate the connection. Now, where we have servers at the top, go ahead and select what platform you're trying to stream on: Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. We could just keep it strictly to YouTube or Twitter or Twitch. Now click on use stream key and the server, you could join any server for your streaming. Your stream key would be here. All you need to do is enter and simply click on get stream key. And then you can also click on connect account, which is the connecting account option. When you click on get stream key, it takes you to your dashboard on Twitch. which we're not looking to access right now. And yeah, so once you're done entering your stream key, just go ahead and click on connect account and you should start streaming. All right, so that's how you can go ahead and start a stream. Now, I need to talk to you about some other things. We have what we know, what's known as scenes. It's basically different layouts for your stream. So scenes are different layouts. You can create a scene by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom left, and then please enter the name of this scene. Let's call it scene 2, and click on OK. So now scene 2 can be set to record something else. As you can see in screen recording, we have the display capture, we have the mic, which is mic or auxiliary, and in scene 2, we do not have any of that in sources. So you can just go ahead and click on the plus for the source, and then click on audio input capture, and then go ahead and click on add existing, and then click on create new, and then click on OK, and go ahead and click on OK once more. And now you have successfully included the audio. You can click on the plus here and click on window capture to capture your window, or click on display capture to capture the entire display. So it works like that. Audio mixer is set up by default. There's no addition here. And then scene transitions. So you could set up either a cut or a fade for your scene transitions when you're transitioning from different scenes. You could set it up as well as the duration in milliseconds. So I've explained a couple of the settings. We have the audio setup, which is by the mixer here. You could simply use the audio mixer to increase or reduce your desktop audio, and to also, if you scroll, to increase or reduce your mic, as the case may be. Now, another thing you can simply do is head over to settings at the bottom right corner of your screen in controls. Click on settings and just go over to stream settings. So on the stream settings, just head into stream here, click on use stream key. Where we have multi-track audio, you could simply kind of like enable and enhanced broadcasting. This is an option. You could turn this on, and instead of auto stream max streaming, instead of the maximum streaming bandwidth, you could turn this off and simply enter how much bandwidth you want. And for additional canvases, you can go ahead to either create one or add one. You can also affect the output, like the output mode is set to simple. You could keep it on simple or move over to advanced. But for simple, you could simply increase your bit rate from 2500 kbps to 4500 or 6000. Your audio bit rate, you can leave it at that. Then the encoder, you could also change this into something else. And now if you head over to video, where we have base canvas, you can increase or reduce your aspect ratio. Same thing for the output. You could also affect the frames per second. The frames per second are set to 60. You could move it down to 39, 59.94, as the case may be. And then once you're done with all these settings, you can just go ahead and come and click on start streaming, which is at the bottom uh, right corner of your screen. Just go ahead and click on start streaming. It's at the top, and you would have started streaming. That's just basically how it works. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.